Hello, Kieran from GMR Spares here, and you join me on the famous red paisley cloth to introduce the Crimson Clover. The Crimson Clover is a Handwired Tremolo pedal using the GMR Spares miniature tag board. Eagle-eyed GMR fans will know that this is the second tremolo pedal that I've made. I also made one called the Vib Trem, but in all honesty people had a lot of problems with that pedal. The first problem they had was it was a little bit too complicated to make. So I set myself the task of making it a lot more simple. I got it down to one tag board, 8 rows, and it's really just like making a big fuzz pedal. The second problem people had with the pedal is that they said there was a signal loss when it was engaged. Now that's not really true. I looked at it on an oscilloscope, I did my maths, I looked at it and it was the same signal going out as it was coming in. But what I realised is that it was more of a psychoactive effect. The more the depth control is turned up, the more transients are missing from the signal. And the transient is the loudest part of the signal. That's basically where your pick hits the strings is the loudest bit, and if you cut the beginning of the note off, you lose that transient, so you lose a lot of perceived level. So I thought I could either argue that point or I could just add a volume control. So I've just added a volume control, so now you can actually make the tremolo a lot louder than the signal coming in, which means you can boost the signal and get some overdrive effects whilst also having some tremolo effects. It gets a really good sort of bluesy harmonica kind of sound. The pedal's available like this, fully made up, or available in kit form for you to put together yourself in exactly the same way as all the other GMR pedals. It's a lovely warm sounding amp-like tremolo, perfect for vintage sound, so here are some of those vintage sounds.